Hello everyone, welcome to this lecture. In today's video, we are going to learn how to combine two strings in Python. So in order to combine two or more strings, we use addition operator. For example, I'm having the variable first name and last name, and they are assigned John and Doe as the first name and last name respectively. And in order to have the full name variable, I'm having first name plus one space and plus last name. And then I'm printing out the full name in the output. So when I run, I see John Doe. So I'm adding this to have this space here. Okay, so if I don't consider this part, if I remove it, you see that they are smashed together. So you see John Doe. So it is better to have one space here, so it would be more nice. So in this video, we learned how to combine two strings and create our third string using addition operator or plus operator. In order to do that, we simply have the first name, which is our first variable. You see, this is our first variable. This is our second variable, and we are sorry, and we are using addition operator to add these two together and create our third string here, and I'm basically printing out the third string, which is full name. So this is how we can combine two strings. Thank you for watching.